Welcome to my little country kitchen. My name is Marianne and we are making some homemade ranch dressing. I got this recipe from allrecipe.com and it calls for a cup of mayo, that's about a cup. Half a cup of sour cream. Half a teaspoon of chives. Teaspoon of parsley. Like this. It only calls for half a teaspoon, but I'm adding 2. Garlic powder and salt, but I'm going to do garlic salt. 1/4 teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon of onion powder. And an 8 of black pepper. It's really thick. I'm probably going to thin it out. Celery salt. More salt. This generic mayonnaise from the Mexican store is really sweet.
What are you making?
Homemade ranch. Ooh, that's good. Still, it's too thick. I'm gonna dump some.
You want milk?
Buttermilk. I'll make 1/4 cup of buttermilk. What? It's to be pourable.
No,
there we go. My finger's black. That's good. Okay, let it sit in the fridge for half an hour before serving. Okay, after I let it sit in the fridge, I put it in this pourable container I got at the Dollar Tree, which is really awesome and convenient. And I also added probably another 1/4 cup of regular milk because it was still too thick. I mean, you can see how it's not even pouring out. I need to add way more milk, even now, because it needs to be really runny. Yeah, I'm going to add more milk until it's all the way full. So let's see how that goes. Okay, this is way more pourable now. I made a mess, of course, as you can see. Let's pour it. Yay. Still pretty thick. Okay. Remember my rainbow carrots? Fermented rainbow carrots that I made? We're going to test this out. Yum, 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 yum. That's pretty awesome. 2 thumbs up. I actually just thought of a great idea. Next time I'm going to use my sour cream that has live active cultures in it, so it can be a prebiotic or probiotic ranch too. So, yay. Do you guys care about expiration dates or best by dates? Because my son decided to talk to me about the date on the, what do you call it, the buttermilk ranch, or excuse me, just the buttermilk. Decided to choose the moment when I was recording, which is why I had to fast forward and mute half of the show, because half of the video, because he decided to have that debate with me as I was recording. Silly goose. What do you do with Generation Z? Oh, so funny. Do you care about expiration dates or best by dates? Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this ranch or if you do different variations. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.